Aloha! Welcome to NoEAO Soft Skills Shorts, a workshop series that highlights soft skills and how to practice them. This episode is about dealing with difficult situations. What is a difficult situation? A difficult situation is an event where a problem is present, but a favorable solution may be hard to reach. Dealing with difficult situations could involve working with stubborn group members towards a mutual goal, de-escalating challenging scenarios created by particularly difficult individuals, or navigating your way through an unfavorable outcome. Dealing with difficult situations requires a compassionate approach and a professional mindset. This video will specifically cover navigating conflicts with others. How can you develop your skills when dealing with difficult situations? Number 1. Don't take it personally. In difficult situations, it is essential to recognize that individuals are often displeased with the situation at hand rather than with you personally. Their frustration may cause them to behave in rude or aggressive ways, but it is helpful if you can remain composed and refrain from reacting impulsively. Reacting in a confrontational manner will likely add to their frustration. On the other hand, reacting in a very passive manner will allow the person to exploit you. Understand that the person's heightened emotions are unlikely to last and will eventually subside. Number 2. Take a moment to think. Before responding to a challenging situation, take a brief pause to listen to what is being said, collect your thoughts, and contemplate the best course of action. Be mentally and physically present as you take your pause. You should still be actively listening and aware of body language. For example, if someone demands you to do something out of your ability, think about what you can do and what you are able to offer. Don't promise anything that you cannot do. Number 3. Stand your ground. There is a balance when dealing with difficult situations because it is important to listen, be considerate, and be flexible when possible. At the same time, if you feel that you are receiving the short end of the stick and not being heard, advocate for yourself so that your thoughts and needs are conveyed. If needed, be as assertive as you are comfortable being. For example, if you offer a solution to an individual but they won't accept it, don't be afraid to stand firm and push for a compromise where both parties' needs are considered. Number 4. Always prioritize your safety. Dealing with difficult situations can escalate quickly, especially when aggravated and irate individuals are involved. If you feel like you are in danger at any moment, seek assistance and get the appropriate authorities involved. Some visual signs of aggression include a clenched jaw and fists, lowered eyebrows, flared nostrils, and a puffed out chest. It is also important to be mindful of the individual's language, volume, and proximity to you. Identifying these signs early can ensure your safety. Number 5. Ask for assistance. If needed, consider who you can ask for help. It could be a supervisor or someone in a position of authority who can help de-escalate the situation. If a difficult situation is caused by a misunderstanding, reach out to a person with the right knowledge that can help resolve the issue. Collaboration with higher level authorities can contribute to a more effective resolution and promote understanding among all parties involved. Number 6. Reflect. After engaging with a difficult situation, it is helpful to reflect back and to take a few moments to collect yourself. Here are a few questions you can ask yourself. How did I handle the situation? Could the situation have been avoided? What can I do in the future in a similar situation? It is important to note that frustration is often inevitable in these types of situations, and it is okay to feel frustrated or even annoyed. Sometimes, you may end up with an outcome that isn't favorable for yourself and/or the other party. That's okay too. Just remember, a difficult situation is not necessarily a reflection of you or your ability to resolve it. Experiences with difficult situations, whether positive or negative, are always great for you to learn from. Next, we have a scenario demonstrating how you can practice dealing with difficult situations.
Oh my god, wait. Was the final poem due today?
Yeah.
Can I see yours?
I don't know. These are kind of personal to me. I don't want anyone else besides the professor to see it.
It's not like I'm gonna copy it. I'm gonna just change a few of the words.
I don't know, man. It just sounds kind of weird that you're gonna copy my final project.
Just let me see it. Stop being a jerk. We literally help each other out on homework all the time.
Okay.
The semester's literally ending.
Look, this is different. It's a final project. If we both get caught for you copying it, we're both gonna get in trouble.
But would the professor really know?
Look, it's not my problem about worrying about that.
Dude, just let me see it.
Okay, hold on. look, I get that you're upset, right? But just try to talk to the professor, see if you'll get an extension for that.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, maybe he'll give me extension because I've been stressed lately, so. And grades are not due until like a week later, so. Okay.
Thank you for watching. If you are completing this as a part of the Soft Skills Certificate or want to test your knowledge, please complete the quiz on our website. All sources used for research are cited in the description below. You can check out another video here and contact us in these ways if you have any questions. Aloha!